We're here at the Made by Google event, and I am here with the Pixelbook Go. It's going to start at $649. It's available for pre-order right now, but only in the just black configuration. I'm actually holding the not pink version of the laptop, which it kind of is not pink. It's pinkish. But if you turn around here on the end, you get this really cool salmon color that is kind of reminiscent of the Pixel 3 from last year. So really cool. It's really grippable and like makes it easy to carry. But I don't think I lose grip on this. It's super light. It's less than 2 pounds, and it's about a half an inch thick. So it's very light, very slim, and it's a Chromebook. Instant on, as you can see. So as soon as I opened it, it was on and ready to go, which is really cool. You've got Chrome OS, so you've got your usual Chrome thing. So if I were to press this, it'll launch Assistant. It's got the entirety of the Google Play store to choose from. So not only do you get Chrome OS apps, you also can get and the Play Store apps. So that means that you can get Word and Adobe Lightroom and things that you can do to actually do work and be productive. And this is a quick look at the Google Pixelbook Go. For Tom's Guide, I'm Sherelle Smith, and this is the Google Pixel Go.